But I do want to flag that the Knight-Swift CEO and CFO are taking a pay cut, press release, proper SEC filing and everything of 20% on their salary. So that's about $900,000 a piece. So it's not and it's very qualified. So it's approximately 20%. It doesn't start until September 3rd, and it's very clearly in the title called temporary. But basically it adds 0.08% to EPS growth. So it's financially meaningless. It isn't probably a great idea to draw attention to their compensation. It certainly is well ahead of what the average Knight-Swift employee and trucker is paid. I do think the reason I flag it is because I think the level of unionism I see in my coverage is something I've never, I've been covering this for over 20 years. And basically the trend of unions has been that they are hard on companies and, have mostly been going away, right? We've mostly seen, UPS is always the only successful Teamster company. They've just had a big win at UPS and the Teamsters. Teamsters would be the most logical effort to unionize Knight-Swift. The Teamsters lost Yellow, so there's some puts and takes there, but there's just like a lot of activity, and it would be interesting to see, and I suspect this moves as a signal that there are unionization efforts in a lot of probably non-union truckers, and Knight-Swift would be among that. So I'm not just saying Knight-Swift is going to be unionized, but I would be shocked if there weren't increased efforts to do that, and if this isn't partly a management effort to make employees less angry as they go through what's going to be a very difficult next 4 quarters, and has already been a difficult 2023. So just flagging that interesting press release from Knight-Swift.
Yeah, that is not a philanthropic move. That is a political move indeed. That's a really interesting one. Let's see if that starts to move in other sectors or companies. I haven't heard of that. You can run a search, just ask the chatbots, but try to find me another public company whose CEO just took a pay cut.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.